Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will click on Fitia app and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.